Boys, after that, from 9th December 1946, our constitution framing was started. It came into it was framed on November 29, 1949, and it was implemented on 26 January 1950. Got it? That's why it is known as Republic Day. Yes? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what's the meaning of constitution? Constitution means systematic collection of rules. Means systematic rules are collected and it is designed for government. Yes, for country to be ruled properly. That is known as constitution. Understood what is constitution, beta?
Yes, miss.
What's constitution? Understood or not? Boys. Then what is the now what is the importance of constitution? Why we have made constitution? Yeah? So, importance of constitution is any basic or important, any of, suppose we take it that in your class someone is absent, yes? Then what you will do? You related to that subject, you will ask to subject teacher, you will ask to your friends, yes? So, if we are having those, then only we can learn it, yes? Next. So, constitution importance is that the laws which are framed are based on the constitution. That will be relevant provisions. That will be superior to all the countries. All the people should have to follow it. Yes, all the people have to follow it periodically on time, as per if any expectation is there, any interest is there, then we can move to the constitution. We will move to the book and we can follow it. Understood what is the importance? Got it? Boy, moin, moin. What's the meaning of constitution? Meaning of constitution. Chalo, who will read? Who will read? Who will read? Chetani. Chetani. Mohammed Ali Chetani.
मिस बोलो.
Chalo, read. Start reading. Constitution means.
Systematic collection of rules designed to govern a country regent is known as constitution. Important. Constitution is the basic and most important document. The laws of the country are based on the constitution. The country constitution and the constitutional laws should be subject to relevant provisions. The constitution is superior to all the laws of the country. Constitution involves periodically changes requirements of the people, the aspirations, expectations, interests, as well as the emotions which are high. That's the reason constitution known as a live basic document. Process of framing the constitution. Before independence, the British government on 25 March 1946 ended the Dirty duty to the cabinet mission of three members to find a solution to the question of India independence on the basis of recommendation of the cabinet mission to constitute Assembly was considered in the structure of the constitution was decided. Constitutional Assembly comprised 85 members in which various members from different religion, caste, gender and people from various uh, geographical diversification, political representatives and experts from various sectors were included. Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Sir Maulana Abdul Kalam
Can you
Azad.
wait, Petrani?
Huh?
Can you wait for a minute?
Yes.
Meaning of constitution. Again, I am repeating. Meaning is that any systematic collection of rules designed by government country to regard means to follow it. Government should follow it. Is known as constitution. What is the importance of constitution? It is basically also important and most important. Yes, all the laws subject will be is mentioned in the constitution. As we are in school, we are having calendar. Yes, diary we tell it. Same way, all the rules and regulations of schools are mentioned in the diary. Same way, here in constitution it is mentioned. Constitution is superior. Yes, it is at the topmost level. All the laws of the country, all the citizens, those who are Indian citizens, should have to follow the laws according to the constitution only. Expectations, interests, emotions, which are higher requirements, is everything mentioned in the constitution. That is why it is known as live and a basic document. Got it, beta? Clear? Nancy, Polly, what you are not answering? Nancy. Next is process of framing the constitution. So from when our constitution framing was started? From 25th March 1946. Yes, by our cabinet ministers. Yes, we came to know that Britishers will leave the country by 1947. Yeah. So our leaders have started framing the constitution. Where it was started in Constituent Assembly. Yes. How many members were there? 385 members were there from different religion, different caste, gender, and people. Yes? Yes or no? Who were the leaders from different sectors? That is Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Shyam Prasad Mukherjee, H.P. Modi, H.D. Kumar, Kamnath Frank, Anthony Kanyalal Munshi, Shyam Prasad, and women representatives like Sarojini Naidu, Vijayalakshmi Pandit. Huh? Who was the president? Rajendra Prasad was the president. And it took how many years? 2 years, 11 months, 17 days. Yes. Then when it was framed on 9th December, 9th November 1949, and it was enforced on 26th January 1950 that we are celebrating as Republic Day. National emblem, four lions picture and slogan was Satyameva Jayate, which was included in Constitution. All the citizens have to follow the rights and duties as per the Constitution. Okay, understood framing of Constitution, beta? Clear? Boys, start reading.
Yes, ma'am.
Chaitanya. From process of framing of Constitution.
Means process of forming the constitution. Before independence, the word government on 25 March 1946 made the duty to the cabinet mission of three members to find a solution to the question of India independence on the basis of recommendation of the cabinet mission. The Constitution Assembly was constituted and the structure of the constitution was decided.
Okay, so we come to know that Britishers are now going to leave the India. That's why from 25th March 1946, Cabinet Mission, that is members of Cabinet Mission, has started framing the Constitution. Yes, in Constituent Assembly. Next,
Constitution
next.
Assembly comprised 85 members in which various members from different religions, caste, gender, and people from various geographical di- diversification, political representative, and experts from various sectors will include Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Shyam Prasad Mukherjee, H.P. Modi, H.V. Kamanan, Frank Anthony, Kanhaialal Munshi, Swamy Iyer, Baldev Singh, and women representatives Sarojini Naidu, Vijayalakshmi Pandit, etc. Wherein the Constitution Assembly, Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the President of the Constitution Assembly. A drafting committee was appointed to draft the Constitution under the chairmanship of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar.
Okay, wait. So how many members were there for framing the constitution? 385 members were there. They were from our India was democratic. We were following which government? Democratic government. Yeah. So we can follow any of the religion. We can follow any of the caste. We can speak any of the languages. We either we are black or white. They can't discriminate it. Yeah. So in the constitution, many of the people can join, okay, in assembly. So different people, that is Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Shyam Prasad Mukherjee, these were the members, and some were the women representatives. I think so 9 women representatives were there. Yes. And who was the president? Dr. Rajendra Prasad of a constitution assembly. And drafting committee who was drafting for the constitution was Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Clear? Bit clear. Next. Next.
The Constitution Assembly meets for 160th season spread over a period of 2 years, 11 months and 17 days. Members of the Assembly discuss threadbare each and every detail of its provisions, keeping in concern the matters of constitution of different countries. In this constitution, there are 295 articles and 8 appendants
Wait a
after
second. How many sessions were held for framing the constitution? 166 sessions were held. How many period of time? 2 years, 11 months, and 17 days. Remember it. How many years? 2 years. How many months? 11 months. And how many days? 17 days. And how many articles and appendices were there? 295 articles and 8 appendices from 395 articles and 9 appendices. Okay. And when it was framed on 26 November 1949, and it came into enforce on 26 January 1950. Got it, beta? That's why it is known as republic, a republic nation. Clear? Yes, Ketani, you can.
on 26 January 1950, Constitution of India came into existence and India was declared a republic nation. Thereafter, every year on 26 January, we celebrate Republic Day with nation the farewell. In the Indian Constitution, we have whole lion as national emblem and national slogan Satyameva Jayate. Truth will always win. The Constitution provides for citizenship, rights, and duties of the people, directive
Wait a
principles
second.
of the state
Wait a second,
policy.
beta. So at that time, which was our national slogan Satyameva Jayate, and national emblem with four lions was there. Yes. And what is the meaning of Satyameva Jayate? That is, truth will always win. The Constitution provides for citizenship, rights and duties. Okay. So these duties and rights were provided for whom? For the state policy, union state relation, election and emergency provision. That's why Constitution is most important. Clear, beta? Yes, Ketani, continue, beta.
State policy, union state relations, elections, and emergency provision. Thus, the Constitution of India is the most detailed and elaborate nation document. What is preamble? Preamble is the core and
Don't,
important
don't, don't,
part
don't,
of
don't, don't. Wait, beta, wait. So
okay.
clear this much framing of the Constitution, beta. All the boys I want. Boys clear. I'm asking you boys. Rehan, Mohammed, Jasani Mohammed. Mohammed
Yes,
Saqib.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Everything.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Then Arsh. Arsh. Arsh clear beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Moin, Hyder Ali Merchant,
Ma'am, I
Mohammed
was not
Abbas,
listening.
Muslani Mohammed, Mandra Rehan, Hizar, Rehan Muni, Zain Ali. Clear beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Mohammed Abbas, Mohammed Abbas, Mohammed
Yes.
Abbas. Clear beta.
तो वो था कब से मैं कब से बोल रहा हूँ.
I was not listening. Your mic was mute beta. Okay. Who will tell the definition of constitution? Can you tell beta? Who will tell me the definition of constitution? What's the meaning of constitution? Can anyone? Mohammed Abbas, Rehan, Moin, or Khetani.
Yes.
Definition of constitution. Now you can see what's the meaning of constitution. Yes, speak.
Speak.
Hmm?
Like say,
Yes, you can.
govern a country.
Hmm?
It is a body of well-defined law or rule. Governor a state. The constitution determines the rights of the citizens, the power of the government, and how the government shall
Who is
function.
speaking?
I.
I means
Muhammad Ali.
okay. Now, what's the importance of constitution? What's the importance of constitution? Boys, Moin, are you there in the lecture? Then answer it fast. Sheikh Moin. What's the importance of constitution? Hmm? Mohammed Abbas.
Any systematically careful
Yes. Now, process of framing the constitution. How was constitution framed? How was constitution framed?
for independence
Beta, your
Before
voice I'm not getting.
independence, the British government on 25th March 1946 held a committee with a cabinet mission of three members to find a solution to the questions of India's independence. On the basis of recommendations of the cabinet mission, the Constituent Assembly was
Who is
constituted
this?
and the structure of constitution was decided.
I'm asking sentence that what's the importance of constitution?
on the constitution
Beta, your voice is cutting. Mohammed Saqib, your voice is cutting, beta.
cutting
I want all Sheikh to be answered. Or Sheikh. Sheikh, answer the question. Importance of constitution. Start. Still over here is textbook.
on the basis of recommendation of the
Harsh, your voice is cutting. Beta, I am not getting your voice. Inform me. Your voice is cutting. Mohammed Abbas, you can answer it, beta. Mohammed Abbas,
Yes, miss.
yes, answer it. What is the importance of constitution?
This is the most important document.
Okay. Second point, all the laws are mentioned in the constitution. Next, country's constitution, constitutional laws. All the subjects related to different provisions are there in the constitution. Over here, constitution is superior and all the rules of the country is mentioned in the constitution. Periodically, requirement of people's expectation, aspiration, all these things are there which are high are mentioned in the constitution. That's why it is known as live and basic document. Got it better? Next, process of framing the constitution.
After independence, the British government on 21st March 1946 handed the duty to the cabinet mission of three members to find a solution to the questions of India's independence. On the basis of recommendation of the cabinet mission, the Constituent
So what
Assembly
you have to
was
remember, wait, how you will remember it? Our British government, as British government were now going to leave the India, yes? So our constitutions was handed to the cabinet mission. So it was started in framing from 25th March 1946, yes? All the duties were given to the different leaders and that all, yes? So how many members were there? Can anyone tell how many members were there? Boys, और how many members were there beta? Hyder Ali Merchant, Zain Ali. How many members were there in the Constitution Assembly? In the Constituent Assembly, how many members were there? 385. Chalo. Okay. Who were the leaders there in framing the Constitution? Which were the leaders, beta? Also, beta, your mic is not proper. Meet your mic. Hyder Ali Merchant, Zain
Guru
Ali,
Sardar Patel, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad,
Shyam Prasad,
H.P.
H.V. Kamna, Frank Anthony, yes.
Swami Vivekananda,
Okay. Okay, good. Who was the president of the Constituent Assembly? Who was the president of Constituent Assembly? President of Constitution Assembly.
Das,
Yes?
Rajendra Prasad,
Okay. Next. Drafting committee. Drafting committee.
Ambedkar,
Drafting committee Mohammad Abbas. Drafting committee. Who was the drafting committee?
Bhim Rao,
Ambedkar, yes. How many sessions were held for framing the constitution? Arsh, mute your mic.
166.
Arsh, mute your mic.
166,
How many?
166.
Okay.
166.
Next. How many years, how many months, and how many days?
2 years, 11 months, and 17 days.
11 months, 17 days.
2 years, 11
Okay.
months, and 17 days.
How many articles were firstly there in the Constitution?
Hello, ma'am.
395
Now
articles
biology.
and 9 appendices.
Hello,
Okay.
hello.
When was it came to enforce and why it was known as Republic? Which was the slogan mentioned in the
6 November
Constitution?
1947 when it was first passed.
Hello, ma'am.
Okay. National slogan, national emblem. Beta, national slogan and national emblem. Having how
Hello,
many
ma'am.
lions? Four lions. And national slogan?
Satyameva
Okay, so clear. What is constitution? Importance of constitution.
Yes,
Okay, now and framing of the process of constitution. Tomorrow we will be learning preamble. Okay, beta.
okay, ma'am.